Hello, my beautiful listeners. Welcome back to Resilient Hearts, turning breakdowns into breakthroughs. It feels so good to be back here with you. First, let me start by saying a big, heartfelt thank you. Thank you for sticking around, for reaching out, for sending me those beautiful messages during my time away. Hearing how much you've missed these conversations is the reason I'm here today. So excited, inspired, and so ready to reconnect. For those tuning in for the first time, I'm Aparna Jadhav, a relationship resilience coach, an author, and a single mom. I've dedicated my life to helping women navigate breakups, separations, and divorces, not just to survive them, but to thrive through them. And in this episode, I want to share a little bit about where I've been, what I've been working on, and an exciting surprise that's going to make your journey a little bit easier. So let's get started. So, where have I been over the past few months? I took a step back to realign myself. I wanted to make sure that everything I bring to you, not just through this podcast, but also through my work as a coach, it truly serves you in the best way possible. And during that time, I realized something really important. I kept hearing from so many of you that you wanted help, but you were scared to open up completely. Many of you shared that privacy was a big concern. You wanted to address your struggles, but you weren't comfortable talking about certain things, even on one coaching. And you know what? I completely understand that. I've been there too, sitting in my therapist's office, feeling like the real root of my pain was too heavy, overwhelming, and personal to say out loud. And that's when it hit me. I needed to create something that could help you in a way that feels safe, private, and completely on your own terms. Something that lets you walk through your struggles in the privacy of your own space. That's why I spent this time revamping everything. I poured my heart into redesigning something so transformational that I can't wait to share it with you. But let's do that in just a few minutes. On a more personal note, I've also been growing and learning. I've added new exciting tools to my coaching practice like hypnosis, NLP, that's neuro linguistic programming, which are amazing for people to reframe their mindset and overcome emotional blocks. This is in addition to what all I've already learned, yeah? And of course, a new thing as well. I have started learning tarot. My daughter finds it so hilarious because I now pull cards for myself before making even everyday decisions. Like maybe should I go out with my friends or should I, maybe cook dinner or what should I cook for dinner? But in all seriousness, it's a part of a more holistic approach that I'm creating. One that blends emotional, mental, and even spiritual tools for healing. I truly believe that every step I take, every skill I learn is about serving you better. Because when we work together, it's not just about my expertise, it's also about walking this journey together with care, understanding, and compassion. So, why am I back now? The truth is, I have missed you all so much. Over these past few months, I've received so many messages, DMs, emails, and even comments asking me when are you coming back to Instagram Lives or when is the next podcast episode. Your support reminded me of my mission and why I started the Cocoon in the first place. My mission has always been to help women through life's toughest transitions, to show that no matter how broken you feel, you have the strength to rebuild. And now that I'm clear on the path I want to take, I am so ready to walk this journey with you again. And now let me share the big surprise that I've been working on. I'm so thrilled to announce the launch of my new course, the Silver Divorce Toolkit. This is everything I've dreamed of creating for you. That it's a private, self-paced journey to help you handle the challenges of divorce with confidence, and clarity. So, what's inside the Silver Divorce Toolkit? Let me tell you. It's packed with tools to help you prepare emotionally and practically for your separation. You'll learn how to navigate finances and legalities with confidence. We'll tackle societal judgment, family dynamics, and even how to create a normal life again for yourself and your kids. And yes, we'll cover rebuilding your life, whether that means rediscovering yourself, finding joy again, or even exploring dating. This isn't just a course, it's your roadmap to empowerment. And the best part is that you can do it all at your own pace. The course launches in February, but if you're interested in the early bird offers, type silver in the comments or DM me on Instagram. I'll send you all the details. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So now before we move on, let me share one quick tip with you so that you can start rebuilding your life today with resilience. Tonight, grab a journal and write down 3 things you have accomplished in the past year. These could be big or small, like maybe getting through a tough conversation, showing up for your kids on a hard day, or even just taking care of yourself when life felt overwhelming. These small wins are powerful reminders of your strength, and I promise you will feel much lighter and more motivated after doing this. And what's next for this podcast? Oh, there's so much to look forward to. This season, I'll be diving into themes like co-parenting, building confidence after divorce, setting boundaries, and even dating again. I'll also be answering your questions, so if there are things on your mind, send me a DM or leave a review. It might just inspire our next episode. You can also expect guest speakers, mini CDs, and deep dives into topics you've been asking for. My goal is to give you actionable tools and relatable stories that remind you that you're never, trust me, never alone on this journey. So before we wrap up, I want to leave you with this. No matter where you are in your journey, remember that you're stronger and more resilient than you think. You have the power in you to rebuild, to thrive, and to create a life that feels authentic and fulfilling for you. And I'm here to walk that path with you every step of the way. So if you've enjoyed this episode, please share it with a friend who might need it. And don't forget to DM me your questions or type silver if you're interested in the course. Let's keep this conversation going. Thank you so much for listening, and I can't wait to connect with you in the next episode. Until then, take care of yourself and remember, you got this.